Good morning, students. Today our topic is scientific notation of numbers. What is this scientific notation and why we use this notation of numbers in mathematics? So you can see here is one number. It is a very big number. Such kind of big or very small numbers, it becomes very difficult for us to express in this, like writing 0 0 0 this many times. It is very difficult. So just to overcome such kind of problem, we write a number in scientific notation. But what is this notation? So we write it in this form, p into 10 to the power n. Means all this 0 will go in the power. Okay. So p, what is p here? P is just a terminating decimal number. Means whenever we write a number, we write it first number. After first number, we need to put the decimal. Okay. So it is a terminating decimal, which kind of decimal number which can terminate, okay, which have the end, okay. And what is this n? N is integer, okay. And p will always be greater than equals to 1 and less than 10. Means p can be between the number 1 to 9. Got it? Less than 10 means up to 9 and greater than equals to 1 means it can be 1 or more than 1 but less than 10. Got it? But how to write these numbers in scientific notation? So we have some example. You can see. Suppose this number. You have to write it. It is not very big, but if you want to express this in standard form, or you can say scientific notation, we can express it like how many zeros? First of all, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And you know after first digit you have to put decimal. So we will write this number as 2.0 into 10 to the power 7 because we are putting the decimal after 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7. Okay. Suppose this number, there is already a decimal. So, but you have to write in scientific notation decimal number just after the first digit. So, first non-zero digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, after 5 digit, you are shifting this decimal here to here. Okay. So, 3, how you will write it? 3 point, all the numbers you have to write 3.90878 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits you are shifting? 4 digits. So 10 to the power 4. If decimal is already there, we will follow this rule. Okay. And you can see decimal is here. So we are shifting the decimal from this side to this side. Whenever we are moving this side, we have to write the number in negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Because we always put the decimal after a non-zero digit. Always remember in scientific notation. So 1.7 into 10 to the power, how many digit you are shifting? 13 digit, but from left to right. So it will go in minus 13. Okay. And if you are shifting right to left, then it will be in plus. But left to right, it will go in negative. So we have some exercise question. Let's see what is the expanded form. That also I'll explain you. Expanded form students, you are studying from right from class 1, 2, 3, 4. So you all are familiar with it. Look, have a look. Like question number 1, 5.3. Write the following number in expanded form. How you'll write in expanded form? Suppose this is the number 356780. So 3 into how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay. 5 zeros. Then 5 after how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 into 10 to 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000. 6 into 1000. 7 into 100. 8 into after 8 1 digit. So 8 into 10 and 0 into 1. There is nothing. So 1. Okay. Between this we write the plus plus plus. Okay. Now 3 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we will write 3 into 10 to the power 5. 5 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. So 10 to the power 4. 3 zeros. So 10 to the power 3. 2 zeros. So 10 to the power 2. 1 0. 10 to the power 1. If there is no 0, 1 means 10 to the power 0 means 1. So for 1 we can write 10 to the power 0. Because as I have explained you, any numbers power 0 will be equal to 1. Either variable or number. Okay. So for 1 we can write 10 to the power 0. 0 into 10 to the power 0. Okay. Similarly, B number 4600349. 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. After 6, 5, 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 3, 0. Plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 9 into last digit 1. Now write it in scientific notation. 4 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 0. 6 into 10 to the power 5. 0 into 10 to the power 4. 0 into 10 to the power 3. 3 into 10 to the power 2. 4 into 10 to the power 1. And 9 into, for this 1 we will write 10 to the power 0. Okay. Similarly, you can do the C number also. Now see question number 2. Write the following in scientific notation or standard form. So you can see scientific notation if you have to write. Now you know the after first digit you have to put decimal. So 2.2 into 10 to the power. After how many digit you are writing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 digit. So 2.2 into 10 to the power 11. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now B number 4, 8, 9, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 digits, so 4.8, 4.89213476 into 10 to the power. Again you can write 11. And this one, shift the decimal this side. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because you know after the first digit we have to write the decimal. So 6.532 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 digit, but we are moving from left to right. So decimal power will be in negative. Okay. B number I am leaving it for you. It is your work. Okay. Now question number 3. How many seconds are there in a leap year? Express it in standard form. Do you know in a leap year how many days? There are normally in a normal year how many days are there? 365. But in a leap year, after every 4 years leap year comes. So in a leap year there are 366 days. All of you know about it. Okay. So now we have to change this number of days into seconds. So you know in a day how many hours? 24 hours. And if you have to change the number of hours in a leap year, number of days into, we will multiply by 24 to change this into hour. Okay. And if you want to change this in minute, we can change this in minute also. 366 into 24 into 60 minutes. Because how to change hour into minute? By multiplying it with 60. And number of second in a leap year, same thing. After changing this into minute, you can change this into second. Again multiply by 60, because in a minute there are 60 seconds. Now you can multiply 366 into 24 into 6 6 are 36. This will 20 will come. If you will multiply all, we will get this much. But you have to write it in standard form. So how to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 digit you are putting the decimal. So 3.16224 into 10 to the power 7. The zeros will be included in this 10 only. No need to write here zeros. Okay. Only the numbers you will write. Got it? Now question number 4. If the velocity of light is 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, velocity of light is given. Calculate the distance travelled by light in a light year and express in standard form also. So we know one hint is also given. 1 light year is equal to distance travelled by light in a year. So what is the distance travelled by light in a year, students? We know the velocity of light means speed of light, that is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So 1 light year is equal to, according with our hint we are moving, 1 light year is equal to distance travelled by light in a year. So what is distance formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into time. What speed of what? Speed of light. Okay, and time taken in a year. So year we can change into second, because speed is given in meter per second. So time also we will have to take in second. So how to change a year into second? We know in a year there are 365 days. You can change this into second by multiplying 24 into 16. Means days to hour, hour to minute, minute to second. Got it? Now time is given in second. Now speed into time, you can multiply 3 into 365. Numbers you can multiply first. 24 into 6 6 are 36, and this 20 of 6 we can write here as 100. And 10 to the power 8 we can write it like this. Now multiply it, student, you will get this much, and 8 0 plus 20 will be equal to total 10 0. Okay. Now 10 0 plus this 1 0 you can include in 0 only. 10 plus 1 0, that will be equal to 11 zeros. 10 to the power 11. Now you have to write in scientific notation also. So put the decimal 1 2 3 4. After 4 digit we are putting the decimal here. So it will be this much into 10 to the power 4, and this 10 to the power 11 will be as it is. Okay. Now 9.4608 into 11 plus 4, what? 15. 10 to the power 15 0. Got it? So I hope you have understood this. Now question number 5. The speed of aeroplane is given 885 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the airplane in 3 hours 20 minutes. It is given in minute also. First work is we will change this into hour only. Okay, because this is part is given in hour. Also express the distances in scientific notation. So speed of aeroplane is given, that is 885 km per hour. Time is given 3 hours 20 minutes. How to change minute into second, students? You know, by dividing it by 6 minute into hour. Sorry. First of all, we will change this 20 minute into hour. How? 20 by 60. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 by 3. So 3 hour plus 1 by 3 hour. We will add this by taking LCM 3. 3 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 hour. Total is 10 by 3 hour. We have changed this minute also into hour. Now distance, you know, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is given. Time is given 10 by 3. But we can cancel out. 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 18, 3 5 ja 3 9 ja 27, and 1 will be carry, 3 5 ja 15. 295 into 10. Now 2950 kilometer. But we have to write it in standard form. So 1 2 3. After 3 digit we are putting the decimal. So it will go up 10 to the power 3 kilometer. This is your answer. Okay. Now question number 6. Write the following in standard form. So you can write it in standard form. How many zeros are there? First of all, count the 0. So there are total 23 zeros here. So 23 zeros and this 2 digit. 24 25. So 8.68 into 10 to the power 23 24 25. 25 digits are there. After 25 digit you are putting decimal, no? So 10 to the power 25 kg. Okay, mass of Uranus is in standard form. We can write it like this. And its B number is your homework. You have to do it. Okay. So complete the exercise. Next day we will discuss the 5.4 exercise. Okay.